Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Casi cuando nace el doctor Limpo, eso no es un sicario, no, eso es un nazi. Tu mujer es una lazi, le meto y le mando en taxi. Suena complicado, pero para mí eso es muy fácil.
Nice! Nice!
That's a cool stop, bro. Yeah, we'll be there in like 10 minutes. Okay, Garmin. Safe video. She looked like what?
Oh my god!
This is the biggest class they've had in years.
Dude! Really? You waited for that? He waited.
Sold out the next night. No chance of any tickets there. We are releasing the few tickets we have left for Tarrytown. By the way, people have been saying it's sold out. We have a few tickets left, so we're going to get those out there. Get your tickets for Boston and get your tickets for the virtual live show. It took place on October 30th is when it's happening, but you can watch it 2 weeks.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Christ! You all right, sir?
Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
He'd already lost dozens of fighters to that eagerness, and more were going down every minute. His command HUD kept a running tally of the fighters he had remaining by constantly
Stupid.
of every power-suited Marine in his company. No one else had access to the he saw there, which was a measure.
Oh no.
A car crash.
You fucking idiot.
Manual recording will now start.
That was dumb.
Manual recording will now start.
You can't wait.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.